You loser. We're at the big buckets.
You thick loser.
Here we are.
Here we are.
Here we are.
Here we are. I've got the F truck.
Got the MCSA. How did my hair look this morning?
Oh man, I don't want to talk. I don't feel, it's too early in the morning for me.
Tell them where we are.
We're in Parafield, Big Bucket Car Wash for all Ford Day, SA 2022. And the weather hopefully will hold off and we don't get bogged and we're all good. But we got cool cars, go look around. Go take a look around. Take a look around.
Take a look around. Take a look around.
After that custom car, I will.
We're here. Here we are.
Hello.
Hello.
Here we are.
We're at all Ford Day. We've got a display going on. We're going to start taking money for the Black Dog Institute. What's going to happen is I'm going to give someone a texter. They're going to donate, hopefully, and then they're going to sign my bonnet. And then once the bonnet's filled, we're going to go to the quarter. Once the quarter's filled, we go to the door, etc, etc. Hopefully we can get the bonnet filled. I'm not sure, but we take a donation. You sign the bonnet. You put a message on the bonnet that's appropriate, and then all the proceeds go to the Black Dog Institute because they're legends. I said it's for every
JG. JG.
We've got UFC to watch, man.
What do we got here?
XR5.
Baby Falcons.
Is she clean enough?
Yep. It's cleaner than mine.
Hi, Mum.
Yeah.
Should I donate first?
I'll donate for
Thank
that.
you.
Transfer me $5.
What the f***?
Hold it, man.
I'm painting myself.
Here, try this one.
My hand. Yes. Oh, why did I do that? Shit.
I feel like
Have a bit of a chat to the guys, keep them busy.
Someone's lost me. I'm
This one's sucking. That one?
No, I got Alex sucks. I fucked up my hate somehow.
Oh my god.
it's actually signed.
That's a real good signature, Jamie.
Now draw a dick. What did you do?
That can stay there. Do something else for
He's trying to give an eyelash.
Wait, it's staying there now.
Are you gonna do the sticker?
Wait, have you donated, Alex?
What's that? Alright, calm down, bro.
That must be real.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, Dr. Phil's PH.
One more L. One more. One more. And just one more.
One more for good luck.
Yeah. One more.
I like it. I like it. It's smaller but longer.
You lose it.
One more L. At least go to the end of the bottom.
Oh my god, why is
Please feel free to give this to someone else and see if they can.
So because you.
We don't have to record. We got the cameraman.
What up,
Alex did a
gangster?
cashy for me. It was fun.
We got the Cooper
I don't know how
stewards.
to.
Come on, man. Perfect.
Will!
At least put a Y on the end. Or two.
Will doesn't know how to spell his
17.
name.
Or just go. You got to go to the edge if you do a Y.
Let's go, let's take a photo. Let's take...
No, I'm recording.
Number one.
Number one.
There's nobody, but I feel bad just in case they're
Here we go.
There's no one in this category.
Willie.
Look, Phil's here.
No, don't. No, leave it.
Oh, I know what you're doing.
Yeah, I know. Jake said.
Billy!
Willie. Happy birthday, Phil.
He's going to be having a fucking mud bath. He's going to be having a facial with mud.
Yeah.
Via Jake Spokes.
That's a nice purple lens. Isn't it? How's it going here, bro?
What does your old man think?
Huh?
What is your old man saying?
He's not happy, but at the same time, you can't help the weather.
What's everyone saying?
It is what it is.
Ruff knows a bit more.
Ruff,
Oh,
please.
I don't know the clues. I'm in the F truck by myself.
You just put them in there for now. There we are.
Mr. Mum.
You
miss my mum?
I do.
She won't bring the husky because of the dog hair. Hello? I hate myself on camera. I hate my voice, it's shit.
Love day.
The people who are going to bring that home aren't here, so fucking...
And the winner of the class, and the winner of the category, entrant number 408, Nick Kalixis.
I just got here like 20 minutes ago.
Let's just, okay, so quick update, this place is it's wet, sun's coming out now, my feet are wet, you know, first all 4 day, not great.
Emily Dunstan.
Whoa, Emily Dunstan! Yeah! Phil!
Oh,
Tell me, who, speak!
hold on. Number two. Number two. He got runner up.
No!
Jake got runner up.
Are you serious?
But if you ain't first, you're last. Wait, recovery team. Who needs the Hilux, right? We're a better recovery team than the Hiluxes are, mate. We're 3 for 3, so happy days.
The 3 Musketeers.
That's it.
Musketeers.
Happy birthday to you. Thanks, guys. Happy birthday, dear Phil.
Phil!
Happy birthday to you. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray!
He's embarrassed!
Fuck!
next episode of Raph and Jake's Chop Shop.
3-car train with a trailer on the back.
Here we are. All 4 day 2022, you loser.
Yeah!
Woohoo! That was good.
My feet are Let's go watch Alex get up.
I haven't really been around, but this is wild. I think that's where we're gonna end it, because we got some shit to do. Wow.
Yep.
We got to get out of this bog.
My feet are wet.
My feet are wet. Got to go home, have a shower, clean some cars. I feel really bad for Stefan as well. I don't know what's going on. I might go have a look at him. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for all 4 day for putting this on, even though it was torrential downpour and we're all bogged. But it is what it is. We sort of expected it. Bye.
No. Love you, baby. You're fucking losing it. You're losing it.
Losing it. Fucking loser.